Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox Talk of the Town, which is this one. So the REXY Porsche 911 GT3R, and I was happy that I got this one. I'm still happy that I got this one, and I was actually lucky to get this one because the moment I ordered this one, within next 5 minutes these are out of stock. So I was unexpectedly opening this Cars and Dolls app, and I actually saw there. And see, there are other sites even in Facebook. This people are still selling this. So if you are not able to get this from KND or some other sites, just look in Facebook. People are putting this anyway. The price is around the same range. People are selling this for 1,500 or 1,600 on that range only. So you don't need to worry about that part. So I bought this for somewhere around 1,500, I guess. So I bought like 2 or 3 things together. So I'm not exactly remembering for how much I bought. I need to maybe check the bill details and all. So here is the box art. Porsche licensed product. So if you see literally every Porsche licensed product, the sticker is actually the same. Not only here, even if you see take any measure, it looks exactly the same. Okay, let's unbox. Here it is. Okay, let me just put this box aside. Okay. So it does have some dust here. I'm not sure how or why. Let me just see. I'm really excited to get this casting, but these kind of things are making me really disappointing. Okay, let me just show it to you closer. But honestly, compared to Hot Wheels, this is really better. Because in a Hot Wheels they made that REXY one as a chase, the pink one. So and people are going crazy about it. They're selling already for $250, $300 now. Okay, so this one is fully made of metal. So you can see the headlights are acrylic. The teeth here, which looks really nice. Here are the hands and legs, and here are the tail details. Okay, overall the casting looks really cartoony, and it actually looks beautiful. I'm not sure who thought about this particular livery, but it does look really nice. So exhaust details are okay, and it does have some insert here, acrylic insert here for the tail lights throughout the back, which is really nice. And as usual, you can see the rear view mirrors are actually made of some kind of silicone, so which I'm not a fan of, to be very honest, because that tends to melt over time and it will stick to the box or whatever you are having. So far I'm keeping all my mini GT inside the actual box itself. The first thing is I don't want to damage anything, and second thing is I'm not sure how long it will stay out without any damage. Specifically, this part here, the rear view mirrors. So it does have interior detail to it, which is really nice. Wiper detail as well. This exactly in the center. So I don't see any issue with the paint job so far. It looks really nice. You can see some paint. I think they overpainted it here. Paint roll, I can say. So the tires are made of rubber. So the rims looks pretty generic, to be very honest. They could have just went with something like deep dish, rims kind of thing. It would have looked really nice for this Porsche, because Porsche normally looks a bit wide. So if you have a deep dish rim, that is going to look always cool. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Let's see if it fits. Yeah, it does fit. Okay, it slows down a little bit, but it still rolls. As you can see, it reaches the same place again. Okay, so anyway, we are not going to play with it, just to showcase the rolling capability of Mini GT. I'm just doing that because some brands are not able to do that, because GT actually, it doesn't roll. Maybe not all castings, a very handful of castings does roll, but not to this level. So the roll cage details and everything looks really nice inside, as you can see. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you like my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.